What's your favorite meal?
I love warm chicken soup.
What's your favorite meal?
I love warm chicken soup.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, traveling excites me a lot.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, traveling excites me a lot.
What's your favorite bird?
I really love little sparrows.
What's your favorite bird?
I really love little sparrows.
Do you like candles?
Yes, they feel so cozy.
Do you like candles?
Yes, they feel so cozy.
What's your favorite type of bread?
I love soft, warm bread.
What's your favorite type of bread?
I love soft, warm bread.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, puzzles keep my mind sharp.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, puzzles keep my mind sharp.
What's your favorite fabric to wear?
I really love soft cotton.
What's your favorite fabric to wear?
I really love soft cotton.
Do you like sunsets?
Yes, sunsets are truly beautiful.
Do you like sunsets?
Yes, sunsets are truly beautiful.
What's your favorite plant?
I love small green succulents.
What's your favorite plant?
I love small green succulents.
Do you like handwriting letters?
Yes, it feels very personal.
Do you like handwriting letters?
Yes, it feels very personal.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I really love vanilla ice cream.
Do you like quiet libraries?
Yes, they feel so peaceful.
Do you like quiet libraries?
Yes, they feel so peaceful.
What's your favorite kind of laugh?
I love a warm, honest laugh.
What's your favorite kind of laugh?
I love a warm, honest laugh.
Do you like painting?
Yes, painting relaxes my mind.
Do you like painting?
Yes, painting relaxes my mind.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
I love summer trips with family.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
I love summer trips with family.
Do you like warm blankets?
Yes, they're perfect for cold nights.
Do you like warm blankets?
Yes, they're perfect for cold nights.
What's your favorite kind of hug?
I love a warm, tight hug.
What's your favorite kind of hug?
I love a warm, tight hug.
Do you like morning walks?
Yes, they start my day well.
Do you like morning walks?
Yes, they start my day well.
What's your favorite thing about home?
I love the quiet, cozy feeling.
What's your favorite thing about home?
I love the quiet, cozy feeling.
Do you like handwritten notes?
Yes, they feel really thoughtful.
Do you like handwritten notes?
Yes, they feel really thoughtful.
What's your favorite way to say thanks?
I love saying it with a smile.
What's your favorite way to say thanks?
I love saying it with a smile.
Do you like the smell of rain?
Yes, it smells so fresh.
Do you like the smell of rain?
Yes, it smells so fresh.
What's your favorite time to relax?
I love relaxing in the evening.
What's your favorite time to relax?
I love relaxing in the evening.
Do you like soft pillows?
Yes, they make sleep so nice.
Do you like soft pillows?
Yes, they make sleep so nice.
What's your favorite kind of story?
I love gentle, happy stories.
What's your favorite kind of story?
I love gentle, happy stories.
Do you like warm soups on cold days?
Yes, they warm my whole body.
Do you like warm soups on cold days?
Yes, they warm my whole body.
What's your favorite thing about weekends?
I love the slow, easy mornings.
What's your favorite thing about weekends?
I love the slow, easy mornings.
What's your favorite time to wake up?
I love waking up around 7.
What's your favorite time to wake up?
I love waking up around 7.
Do you like fresh flowers at home?
Yes, they brighten up the room.
Do you like fresh flowers at home?
Yes, they brighten up the room.
What's your favorite kind of music to relax?
I love soft piano music.
What's your favorite kind of music to relax?
I love soft piano music.
Do you like warm socks in winter?
Yes, they keep my feet cozy.
Do you like warm socks in winter?
Yes, they keep my feet cozy.
What's your favorite thing to do on Sundays?
I love a slow, quiet breakfast.
What's your favorite thing to do on Sundays?
I love a slow, quiet breakfast.
Do you like the smell of coffee?
Yes, it smells so comforting.
Do you like the smell of coffee?
Yes, it smells so comforting.
What's your favorite way to spend an evening?
I love reading by soft light.
What's your favorite way to spend an evening?
I love reading by soft light.
Do you like walking barefoot on grass?
Yes, it feels so refreshing.
Do you like walking barefoot on grass?
Yes, it feels so refreshing.
What's your favorite kind of weather?
I love mild, breezy weather.
What's your favorite kind of weather?
I love mild, breezy weather.
Do you like handwritten birthday cards?
Yes, they feel very special.
Do you like handwritten birthday cards?
Yes, they feel very special.
What's your favorite thing to bake?
I love baking soft banana bread.
What's your favorite thing to bake?
I love baking soft banana bread.
Do you like watching the clouds?
Yes, it's so calming to watch.
Do you like watching the clouds?
Yes, it's so calming to watch.
What's your favorite kind of tea time?
I love a quiet afternoon tea.
What's your favorite kind of tea time?
I love a quiet afternoon tea.
Do you like the sound of laughter?
Yes, it always brightens my mood.
Do you like the sound of laughter?
Yes, it always brightens my mood.
What's your favorite way to unwind?
I love a warm cup of cocoa.
What's your favorite way to unwind?
I love a warm cup of cocoa.
Do you like soft candlelight in the evening?
Yes, it feels so warm and gentle.
Do you like soft candlelight in the evening?
Yes, it feels so warm and gentle.
What's your favorite kind of garden?
I love a small herb garden.
What's your favorite kind of garden?
I love a small herb garden.
Do you like the first day of spring?
Yes, it feels full of hope.
Do you like the first day of spring?
Yes, it feels full of hope.
What's your favorite thing to do before sleep?
I love writing a few kind thoughts.
What's your favorite thing to do before sleep?
I love writing a few kind thoughts.
Do you like warm bread with butter?
Yes, it's simple and delicious.
Do you like warm bread with butter?
Yes, it's simple and delicious.
What's your favorite kind of hug from family?
I love a long, warm hug.
What's your favorite kind of hug from family?
I love a long, warm hug.
Do you like listening to soft rain at night?
Yes, it helps me fall asleep.
Do you like listening to soft rain at night?
Yes, it helps me fall asleep.
What's your favorite memory with a close friend?
I love our long, easy talks.
What's your favorite memory with a close friend?
I love our long, easy talks.
Do you like slow mornings with no rush?
Yes, they feel truly peaceful.
Do you like slow mornings with no rush?
Yes, they feel truly peaceful.
What's your favorite way to feel grateful?
I love writing down small blessings.
What's your favorite way to feel grateful?
I love writing down small blessings.
Do you like the quiet after a long day?
Yes, it feels calm and gentle.
Do you like the quiet after a long day?
Yes, it feels calm and gentle.